All right, guys. Hope everybody's doing well. It is 2020. Excited for the new year and some upcoming stuff, but I wanted to do just a quick little unboxing of some more Haley Strategic gear that I've gotten just recently. The multi-mission hanger medical insert. You can see I've already cut it open. I'm making the video one-handed tonight. It's late, getting ready to work on a little bit of classwork, but just wanted to do this video real quick so you guys could see it. So this is the hanger medical insert that goes inside of the multi-mission hanger, the V2 multi-mission hanger. So whatever specific, if you have the micro chest rig or the D3 chest rig or any of a lot of different chest rig systems out there have Velcro on the back that allows you to be able to attach the multi-mission hanger to it. And this is the stuff that will go on the inside to help you organize your med kit, whether it be tourniquets, whether it be batteries, essential gear that you need, blood clot packets, gauze packages, all that kind of stuff. So let's go ahead and check it out. All right, what we got here is a little bit of social media platform, Haley Strategic, different people that have gear and have posted stuff on their social media platforms. Haley Strategic is showing on their paper what they've got, and let's see, share your stories and gear using Haley Strategic. We'll repost our favorites. So again, I've gotten this in a couple of them. I think it's a really cool idea, helping people just share the products, see what's out there, and getting kind of a first-hand experience from other people, what they like and what they don't, and what they're using, and how it's coming out. So again, Travis and the team sent out their little mission statement, thinkers before shooters. As always, just incredibly impressed by the things that these guys do. Not only that I'm a former Marine, but that Travis is a former Marine, and they're just pushing the bar and being a thinker about what actually works, what doesn't work, what's realistic, what's actually just been done forever because that's what somebody was told to do, versus, hey, let's think this through and make stuff that actually works. Training, gear-wise, all of that stuff. They're always challenging the bar and pushing the bar on what's the most efficient. So my little Haley Strategic Dragonfly patch, I ordered one of these as well. It's a PVC Velcro, old school cami pattern, one of my favorites, and I love the fact that they're doing this now. All right, here we go. Let's see here. Forgive me, guys. I'm kind of hung up. All right. Here we go. Okay. It's already Velcro on the back on both of them. And these elastic bands that pretty much hold all your gear in, all your equipment in. And on the ends, you can use it for batteries or different type of gauze equipment, splints, you name it. There's all kinds of stuff you can put in there. It's something I think is kind of cool. So it's hard. I brought up the website. I wanted to show you guys. Sometimes just on websites, they can't post 1,000 pictures of everything that's there. So they post, little generics about what's actually in the picture. But you can see it's pretty loaded down, organized really, really well. On the back of the actual V2 hanger system, when you close it up, there's an elastic band at the bottom too for a tourniquet system. You could fill it in with, your medical shears and stuff like that. But what you can't see when you scroll through it is just the additional things that you may be able to kind of peek in on and see what's there. So now that I've got it in front of me, I don't know how well you guys can see, but right here on this side, I don't think it's in the middle. Nope, it's not in the middle. But on both ends, you have additional elastic bands that allow you to be able to put more gear and more medical equipment or just whatever you need on the inside to store. So you wouldn't see that on the actual page, but I can see it here now, and I didn't know that, and I'm pretty excited about it. So you get a lot more features than just what you're seeing, particularly on the website. So hope that helps you guys out. On this one right here, have an internal pouch, the outside elastic bands right here on the ends, kind of the wing little flip outs where you can fold it over, put it inside the V2 hanger on both sides. and that's kind of your setup right here. So hope that helps you guys out. That's again the medical insert that goes inside the V2 hanger system. And if you have, I mean, there's a lot of APC carriers out there that have, whether you're wearing the micro chest rig from Haley Strategic or something from Velocity Systems or just other groups that are out there that are making chest rig systems that go on top of an APC, a lot of them have the option for some type of hanger system that goes underneath. This looks like the micro right here. It actually is the micro. And then the hanger system is below it. And so a lot of these companies have the option to put that on there now, and now you have the opportunity to actually organize it on the inside, and that's what this gives you. So pretty excited about it. If you guys have any other questions, like I said, just a late night video, wanted to throw it up real quick because I just got it in just recently. Just now being able to get into it, check it out, and then run it and see how much I like it. So I have a feeling it's going to be great as always. Again, Haley Strategic, they always do phenomenal work, and looking forward to getting out on the range. So hope you guys have a good one. Fantastic 2020. Get out there and train. Keep yourself prepared. And if you guys have any questions about stuff coming up, just let me know. This is Barton with Grizzly Tactical Solutions. Train hard, fight smart.